Hi everyone. I just wanted to do a complete flip of my August altered book, my altered book for the August challenge. It's all finished up and I'm just going to do a flip of it. It could probably take some more tags, but it's already squashed at the mouth. As you can see, I don't want to add anything more to it. I'm really pleased with how it came out. So I'm just going to flip through it and show you all the little spaces and the tags and everything like that. Okay guys, I have one page in here that I just for some reason do not like. This page right here. I don't know why I don't like it, but I probably will do something on that page to dress it up just a little bit more, whether I add a flip out or something. But other than that, this book is done. I will tell you that there were several videos in this series, and I will link all those videos below this flip. And I hope you enjoyed this book. I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you did, please do give the video a thumbs up, and please think about subscribing to my channel. And now I'm going to read you a quote from my 1001 Ways to Creativity book. We create precisely because we do not know everything. Did I read that one already? I'm not sure. Let's read another one. All ideas are fragile when they are first born. Be gentle with them and nurture them until they are able to stand on their own 2 feet. Okay, guys, go have fun. Go make some art. Bye-bye.